What you will witness in this video is a confrontation I had with a farmer last time I went out recording footage for one of my tutorials. The sensitive sticks are at the same time your worst enemy when you are going to generate cinematic smooth footage. They're the same your worst enemy when recording smooth and cinematic footage. The sensitive sticks. Hi. The sensitive stick. Oh, så prøv lige. Hej. Er det din mark? Ja. Jeg flyver ikke her i dag, jeg står bare og optager lidt. Ja, okay. Hvordan er din holdning til det, at man flyver over din mark?
Jeg synes, det er irriterende.
Det synes du?
Fordi det larmer,
ja.
Og det skræmmer fuglene væk.
Ja.
Så det er ikke lige min kop te.
Nej, det er ondt. Jeg vil også hellere spørge, end du skulle gå og være irriteret over det. So what actually happened here is I decided to approach the farmer that just went by, and because when he went on the way in, he was sort of lurking, and I could see that he was not happy with me standing here with a drone on the roof of the car, because that would sort of indicate that I would go out flying. But I've decided not to do that, not for this video, because of this. What he said when I asked him if he owned the field here next to me, and he said he did. And I asked what his opinion or how he would feel if I was flying over there. And he said he would prefer that I did not do it because I was scaring the birds and I was making noise. So you could argue he's not owning the airspace above the field, but I have decided to respect this guy because I don't want to put a bad name to the drone flying community by starting a big argument about this. So what did you think about what you just watched in this video? Would you have approached the farmer or just let him be? For me, the situation was pretty simple because the drone was sitting on top of the car, so I wasn't really going to fly anywhere. I was probably going to fly, but with the escalated situation there and him staring at me in that way, I wouldn't take the chance. And I'm pretty sure that he would have acted a lot differently if I was airborne when he arrived at the site. So let me know what you think. How would you have handled this? And share if you have experienced a similar situation where people have approached you or you have approached people around flying your drone. Leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video and this kind of topics, then hit the like button. If you don't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back.